Alright, James, which letter makes the ah sound? Good job. Okay, which letter makes the sound? Which one? Yeah, that's right. Alright. Which letter makes the j sound? J. J. Good job. Alright. Which letter makes the g sound? G. Oh, can you show me again? Show me which one. Good job. Alright. Which letter makes the ah sound? Ah. Good job. Alright. Let's see. Which letter makes the s sound? James, can you show me which letter makes the s sound? S. Which letter says s? James, can you answer Mommy? Which one says s? That's right. You got it. Alright. Which letter makes the p? Show me again. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Let's see. Which letter makes the t sound? T, t, t. T, t, t. Can you show Mommy? T, t, t. Which letter says t? James, can you show Mommy which letter says t? Yeah, that's right, buddy. Good job.